Version management systems details. Version management systems are tools that track changes to files over time, allowing users to revert to previous versions, collaborate on projects, and manage code history effectively. Use cases: software development used to manage source code, track changes, collaborate on features, and ensure code stability. Use cases: document management for versioning documents, tracking edits, collaborating on writing, and maintaining a history of changes. Use cases: website development to manage website files, track updates, collaborate on content, and roll back to previous versions if needed. Input: source code, the primary input for software development projects, including code files, scripts, and configuration files. Inputs: documents, various types of documents such as word processing files, spreadsheets, presentations, and design files. Inputs: website files, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and other files that make up a website. Outputs: version history, a chronological record of all changes made to the files in the repository, including who made the change, when it was made, and the specific changes that were made. Outputs: code diffs, detailed comparisons between different versions of files, highlighting the added, deleted, or modified lines of code. Outputs: merged files, the result of combining changes from multiple branches or versions into a single file, resolving any conflicts that arise. Commands: add stages, changes in files for inclusion in the next commit, marking them as ready to be added to the repository. Commands: commit creates a snapshot of the current state of the repository, recording the changes made since the last commit. Commands: push sends local changes to a remote repository, making them available to others who are collaborating on the project. Commands: pull retrieves changes from a remote repository and merges them with the local copy, keeping the local repository up to date. Commands: merge combines changes from different branches or versions into a single branch, resolving any conflicts that may arise. Steps 1. Initialize repository, create a new repository to store the files and track their changes. Steps 2. Stage changes, select the files that you want to include in the next commit, marking them as ready to be saved. Steps 3. Commit changes, record the staged changes as a snapshot of the repository at a specific point in time. Steps 4. Push changes to remote, share the local changes with other collaborators on the project by pushing them to a remote repository. Challenges and fixes. Branch conflicts occur when multiple developers make changes to the same part of the codebase and their changes cannot be automatically merged. Merge branches. Carefully review the changes made in each branch and carefully resolve any conflicts that arise before merging them. Challenges and fixes. Lost changes, accidental deletions, or unintended modifications can lead to the loss of important data. Use version control tools. Version control systems allow you to revert to previous versions of files, ensuring that you can recover lost changes. Challenges and fixes. Unintended changes, mistakes, or accidental modifications can introduce errors or unwanted changes into the codebase. Use staging area. The staging area allows you to review and select the changes you want to include in each commit, minimizing the risk of unintended changes. Challenges and fixes. Large file storage. Storing large files such as images, videos, or databases in version control repositories can lead to performance issues and increased storage costs. Use Git large file storage, a service that allows you to store large files outside of the main repository, reducing its size and improving performance. Challenges and fixes. Code review process. Reviewing code changes before merging them can help catch errors and ensure code quality. Use pull requests. Pull requests allow developers to submit their changes for review before merging them into the main branch. Challenges and fixes. Collaboration issues. Conflicts can arise when multiple developers are working on the same files or branches simultaneously. Use branching in merging. Branching allows developers to work on separate features or bug fixes without interfering with each other, while merging enables them to combine their changes later. Challenges and fixes. Security vulnerabilities. Version control systems can be targeted by attackers, leading to data breaches or unauthorized access. Use secure protocols. Secure protocols such as HTTPS should be used to protect communication between clients and servers, reducing the risk of attacks. Challenges and fixes. Data integrity. Ensuring that the data stored in the repository is accurate and consistent is crucial for maintaining the reliability of the project. Use checksums. Checksums are used to verify the integrity of data, ensuring that no changes have been made to the files during storage or transmission. Challenges and fixes. Performance issues. Large repositories or frequent commits can impact the performance of version control operations. Optimize repository size. Remove unnecessary files or branches from the repository to reduce its size and improve performance. Challenges and fixes. Scalability issues. As projects grow larger and involve more collaborators, the version control system needs to be able to handle increased load and complexity. Use distributed version control. Distributed version control systems allow developers to work offline and synchronize their changes later, improving scalability and reducing reliance on a central server.